So this is the InterTest removable retrieval tool actuator. To hook it up, there are a couple things, pre-steps. Open up the flip lock, open up the cable lock, and open up the spring lock. The end of your retrieval tool goes through this hole and into the hole in the slide handle here. Push it all the way in and then close the cable lock to lock it in place. The spring then goes into the hole, and you adjust the spring forward and back to adjust the open and close of whatever actuator you have on the end. Once you adjust that to where you'd like the actuator to be, close the spring lock. The handle is then ready, and the tool is then ready to close to actuate the actuator. This little flip lock here will unlock the automatic lock for the thing so you can move forward actuating the actuator. And when you're ready to lock it, simply open that up and it locks in place. To remove it, we just reverse the process, open up the cable lock, open up the spring lock, and everything just pulls out.